Hello everybody, welcome to Princess Teach Magic. In this video, we're going to talk about cellular respiration and how it works, and other questions when they ask me. Now, let's hit to today's video. Let's go. What is the cellular respiration? The basic purpose of the cellular respiration is to convert the chemical energy stored in food molecules like glucose and into the energy called ATP. ATP is a briefly usable energy currently that cells require to power all of their activities, such as building molecules, transporting substances, and maintaining body temperature. And how it works is 1. Organisms get chemical energy from food, which contains organic molecules that store energy in their chemical bonds. 2. Cellular respiration breaks down the food molecules, such as glucose, along with oxygen. 4. The ATP produced is used to fuel all the essential process of the cell, allowing it to function and survive. What is the reactants for it? Well, the primary reactants needed for aerobic cellular respiration are glucose, aka sugar, and oxygen. Glucose, aka sugar, provides the energy-rich fuel, while oxygen acts the electrician acceptor in the process, allowing it for effective production of ATP, the cell usable energy current, along with bioproducts of carbon dioxide and water. Here's the reason of these reactants. Glucose, the simple sugar is the carbohydrates that serves the main energy source is determined to break down food we eat. Oxygen, this is the vital gas that we breathe in, and this is essential for aerobic gases for cellular respiration. What is the overall reaction? Well, during the cellular respiration, glucose and oxygen combine to produce ATP, the main product, a form of energy that cells can use to power various functions. Carbon dioxide, a waste product that is released from the body, aka exhaled. Water, another vital product of the reaction. Where does it live? And how does cellular respiration takes it? Well, cellular respiration takes place in the cytoplasm and the mitochondria of the eukaryotic cells, and in the cytoplasm and cell membrane of the prokaryotic cells. The initial stage, glucose, occurs in the cytoplasm, while subsequent stage, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain occurs in the mitochondria and eukaryotics and in the cell membrane in prokaryotics. For the eukaryotic cells, which is mostly in humans, which are usually animals, plants, and fungi. Cytoplasm, the first stage, glucose, happens here where glucose is broken down into pyruvate, mitochondrial matrix. The Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle takes place in the coherent within the mitochondria. In the mitochondrial membrane, the final stage, the electron transport chain, occurs in the membrane. For prokaryotic cells, like archaea and bacteria and viruses, there are cytoplasm and cell membrane. Glucose occurs in cytoplasm and the sequence stops, including the cycle and electron chain occurs in the cell membrane of the prokaryotic cells because they lack mitochondria. How does cellular respiration produce? Well, cellular respiration produces adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the cell main energy currently along with carbon dioxide and water as waste produced and subheat. The overall equation for aerobic cellular respiration with glucose as starting material is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 aero 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP plus heat. The process takes place in several strategies. Primary with the mitochondria and the glucose occurring in the cytoplasm. Why is it important for all living organisms? Well, cellular respiration is important for all living organisms is because it converts chemical energy stored in food molecules, just like glucose, into acidic triglycerides, ATP, the usable energy currency of the cell. The energy is then used to power all cellular activities for maintaining body temperatures to build molecules, enabling organisms to grow, move,